Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae, and today I have a wig review for you guys. I was sent an Amazon wig to review. This is a burnt orange 13x4 human hair wig. So as you may see already in the beginning of the video, this is the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead, style her, pop her on, give you guys my thoughts. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit all notifications. And if you are also a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into it.
Girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? Every girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me. She would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and under the phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. If she knew, if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, she'd probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and under the phone. She'd be glad she was gone, and she wouldn't have to worry.
Hey y'all, so I have the wig on. Like duh. But let's jump into the details. First, I'm gonna give you guys a 360. This is the front. All right. So yeah, let's get into the deets on here. So this is a 13x4 frontal. Color is burnt orange. The texture is a body wave. This is 16 inches. The density is 150. The lace, I believe, is Swiss, is not HD. And if you do get this wig, the lace is orange itself. So keep that in mind. I did not even go in and tint my lace. It's gonna make a difference, y'all. I don't think it's even gonna make a difference, so I'm just gonna skip that part. So the cap size on here is average fitting. It's not too small and it's not too big. To me, the cap is universal, so that is a plus. The body wave on this wig is so beautiful. The color is so beautiful. So that is just about it when it comes to my spec. So my overall thoughts is that I do like this wig. I will later on go in and add probably some dark roots so that it can look more natural. Also purchased this from Amazon, so you can get it, I think if you have Prime, you can get it in a couple days. And also, if you do not like this wig, it is returnable. So I will have links in the description box if you are interested. And also, the wig did come pre-plucked. I was very impressed with that. A lot of Amazon wigs don't come with the parting, you know, pre-plucked, but with this one, I was very impressed with that. The only con I think with this wig is that the lace is a orange color. I glued it to my head, so I can't take it off and put my lace tint. But I do want to let you guys know that the lace is kind of like orange. And I think with this color, it should be fine. But you can also use your lace tint spray to make it blend more. And I don't necessarily think mine, I don't even think it looks like it's not blending. I think mine is good. I just gotta put some more effort in these baby hairs. But girl, it's midnight, like past midnight. I'm about to go to sleep. Details. So overall, wig. This wig is so pretty. It is so popping. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also, y'all better check out my blogs. Check them out, girl. Check them out. So I'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh, and did you see my nails, baby? Check out my nails. I did on myself, y'all. And I never had them this freaking long. I can't really use my phone like that, so I'm trying to get used to it because I primed these really good and these are not coming off for at least 2 weeks. So, goddamn. So, yeah, I'll see y'all later.